How to customize now brief or enable now brief on the latest Samsung One UI 7 devices. Samsung introduced the amazing now brief feature on the latest One UI 7 version. So if your device running the One UI 7, you need to enable it or customize it to quickly access your function like latest match update, next meeting, next alarm. You can check all your favorite information at one step. Here by default you can see the widget on the now brief on your home screen. Just tap on it and here you can see have a good day message. In morning you can get a good morning or a evening good evening message. Also you can see stay up to date with the now brief feature. So tap on setting gear icon to customize the now brief on your device. Get a personalized briefing which suggests content and action that change throughout the day. So you can use tap on a content to include. Here you can see the which type of content you want to show on the now brief. So you can see the different category like health and wellness, travel. So you can select any travel date. You can set events and tasks, routine, digital well-being. So communication, you can see gallery story, traffic update, news, music and podcast, YouTube shorts. You can see the all details on the now brief. So here we select the event and task, toggle on event and task. Now when you tap on it, here you can't see the any event. Let's add event and you can find it in the next time. So first of all go to settings, make sure toggle on the event and task. Now open the clock on the device, tap on alarm, tap on a plus icon, tap on a three dots, tap on a settings. Here you need to set the event you want on your device to show on the now brief on your device. So go back. If you can't find the now brief on your home screen, just tap and hold the blank space on home screen, tap the widgets, and at the top you can find the option now brief. Just tap on it, again tap on it, tap on add, and you can find the now brief. Just tap it and customize the now brief you want to set on your latest Samsung One UI 7 devices. That's it. If you like it, share it.